The warning "transmission too hot" in your Honda is not a good thing, because overheating automatic transmission fluid will burn very quickly and may lead to intensive transmission components wear. This will result in quick transmission death unless you react quickly and stop your vehicle when you see this warning. Please keep in mind that whenever you see this warning, the transmission fluid is already too hot and probably damaged. Driving even several miles is not a good idea. Stop once you can safely do so and turn off the vehicle or idle the engine to let the transmission cool down. After that, if you're still under warranty, and can use roadside assistance, call the assistance managers and ask for towing your vehicle to the dealership. If you are not under warranty, you may choose two ways. Either you pay for towing and stay on the safe side, or you wait for 20-30 minutes and try driving very carefully without sharp acceleration. Driving in this condition is always a risk, but if the dealership is not that far away, you may try. Just remember that if you see the "transmission too hot" message again, just stop and call the tow truck. Even if everything is fine with your car, you will need to change the transmission fluid before you drive again. So what's the problem? There are two issues that cause this message. First of all, there are tons of TSBs and dealership notes from Honda to update the PGM-FI software. Somehow the software may change the way it works once the transmission starts overheating and make the life of your transmission better. You may contact your dealership and see if you have such an update. There are TSBs number 22.100, 25.014, for example, and they cover different models and years of Honda cars. If you own the Pilot made between 2016 and 2020 and equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission, please pay attention to the service bulletin number 23073. This bulletin tells Honda technicians to update the PGM-FI software and also flush the transmission 3 times if the transmission too hot message was displayed on the dash. Also, if your Pilot has an option to install the optional transmission fluid cooler, it would be a very nice idea to do so. This cooler will significantly prolong the life of the transmission, keeping the temperature of the fluid under control even in hard driving conditions.